Assalamualaikum. This is Abdul Rauf Kashif, e-tutor for Fundamentals of Computers. Today's lecture is about ergonomics and input devices. What is an ergonomics? Ergonomics is the study of physical relationship between people and their tools, such as computers, addresses these issues. It means ergonomics shows the relationship between human and machinery. People recognize the importance of having ergonomically correct computer furniture. It means that people must have correct and appropriate computer furniture while they are using computer. Mostly you see that people use computer or laptop while they are not sitting. They use computers on bed, and they face many sort of diseases. Ergonomically correct means that a tool or workplace is designed to work properly with the human body and thus reduces the risk of strain and injuries. When you use your laptops on bed, you face many sort of injuries, maybe injury of backbone or neck, and sometimes you face pain in your eyes, and this sort of many problems users can face. Repetitive strain injury, RSI, is an injury of the muscular and nervous system that may be caused by repetitive task. Means you use your laptop or computer on daily basis. Forceful exertion means you are not willing to work, or you are out of capacity and still you are using these tasks, using these gadgets. Vibrations, mechanical compression, that is pressing against hard surface. Sustained or awkward positions caused by continuous misuse of the body in ways it was not designed to work, and many professions suffer from RSI. Carpal tunnel syndrome. This is carpal tunnel is a passageway in the wrist through which nerves pass. Whole nerves and tendons. Prolonged keyboarding swells tendons, means your nerves of your hands swells and you cannot work with your keyboard or with your mouse because of continuous uses of these gadgets. Median nerve is compressed at wrist, and resultantly you face pain in your wrist, resulting in numbness or pain or the inability to use the hands. And sometimes you can't use your hands, and you can give motion to your hands. Victims can miss weeks or months of work. Resultantly, you cannot work for many days or many weeks or many works according to the injury, severeness of injury. In extreme cases, surgery is required. Sometimes you have to go for surgery. These are the pictures of carpal tunnel syndrome. You can see that these muscles, you can face the pain in your muscles. Median nerve, transverse carpal tunnel, median nerve, carpal bones, tendons, blood vessels, and finger flexor tendons. Avoiding keyboard related injuries. To avoid RSI, set the workplace in an ergonomically friendly way. Means set the keyboard in a setting that it must be easy to use and it must be easy for your hands as well. Choose comfortable office furniture. Your office furniture must be comfortable to your body structure. Office chair should allow you to adjust its height, means you should change your height with the passage of time, after 1 hour, after 2 hour, after 3 hour, or after one day. If you work with the same height adjustment, you may fall in the injuries. Provide good lower back support. It is recommended that you don't work or don't sit on benches or chairs without proper back support. Have adjustable armrests. Adjustable armrests is also helpful to save your body from the injuries. The desk should hold your keyboard and mouse at the proper height. Your hands are at the same height as your elbows when you hold them over the keyboard. This is the picture how to sit at a computer. You can see that the balance between your sitting position between your eyes and